This is 14341 East Tennessee Avenue, Unit 104. This is in a secured building that can be accessed with your phone and unlocked with your phone. It also has a digital code on the front door for security as well. As you enter, we have a beautiful laminate flooring and granite countertops. Beautiful cabinetry with lots of cabinet and pantry space, and stainless steel appliances. The kitchen is open to the living area. Very nice open floor plan with high ceilings. And a private patio out here. This is the primary bedroom. This unit can be rented partially furnished or completely unfurnished. This is a king size bed. It's a very spacious bedroom. Primary bathroom features a large vanity, double sinks. We've got a very spacious walk-in shower, a water closet, and a nice large walk-in closet. Lots of room for storage, clothing, shoes, whatever you've got. Okay, we're gonna head over to the other side. Floor plan is great for privacy. We've got a coat closet here. This is the second bathroom. Beautiful vanity. And we've got a bath shower combo here. Washer dryer. We've also got furnace, water heater over here. This is the secondary bedroom. Another spacious bedroom with nice closet space. And there it is.